Have you ever dreamed of a 50 or 60 ducks hunt? And I mean 50 or 60 ducks per hunt per hunter. In Argentina, we can make your dreams come true. My name is Marcelo Silva, and I can offer you awesome duck hunting packages in Argentina, all inclusive. Great accommodations, all meals, a lot of Argentinian meat, great barbecues, and great red wines. We provide you the guns with no extra cost, and we also provide you waders so you don't have to bring extra weight in the plane. Many hunters from all over the world have already enjoyed our hunts in Argentina, and they keep on coming year after year.
I bit the bullet. I took a ride over to Argentina, and I hooked up with Marcelo Silva. And man, he showed me the time of my life. We had ducks, man. We had to have a daytime lunch in the field, ribeyes, man. One time we had some fish. We do some perdiz hunting in the evening. The accommodations were perfect, and I can't recommend them more highly. It was epic, and ducks in July. How about that?
Contact us and book a trip of a lifetime. God bless you all.